This product is manufactured in the USA. About the K-450 bench top rod oven, 450 pounds. Capacity. The K-450 stores 450 pounds of welding electrodes and is an economical choice for shops that need to centrally store their consumables for long-term, 24/7 moisture protection. Our K-450 model maintains welding rods at ideal temperatures to prevent moisture pickup and to optimize welds. Our bench holding ovens are an excellent choice for small to medium-sized shops. Too large to be considered portable, yet small and light enough when empty to be picked up by a single person, bench ovens are an economical choice when a large floor oven is not required. Bench models are designed to be placed upon a bench or other stable surface for easy loading and unloading. Heavy-duty construction and performance heating. The K-450 has a solid steel construction for long product life and durability. The exterior is powder-coated in keen blue and features a rugged door handle, tack-welded door hinges, heavy-duty storage shelves and 1-inch (2.54 centimeters) thermal insulating wool for energy efficiency. The K-450 features a long-lasting 1000 W Incoloy sheathed tubular heating element for effective heating. It is located beneath a protective cover for damage protection and can be replaced quickly and easily when required. An external dial-adjustable thermostat is standard equipment. An optional thermometer accessory is available for the K-450 and is installed in the door. PN 301,127. Shelving design. The hexagonal shelving in the K-450 produces better natural convection within the oven when compared to flat shelving. Most electrode manufacturers discourage stacking of electrodes too deeply while being heated to allow for better airflow over the consumable. With our shelving design, heat reaches the electrode coating more effectively to stave off atmospheric moisture.